Number 1. 1973 Mercury Montego Coupe, $8,500, Hammond, Indiana. This all-stock 1973 Mercury Montego is a clean and honest survivor, powered by the dependable 351 Windsor V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor. The green-on-green color combination perfectly captures early 1970s American styling, and the seller notes that the interior remains in excellent condition. A long list of recent mechanical work, including brakes, carburetor, ignition components, tires, and fuel system parts, makes this Montego a solid cruiser. The non-working air conditioning, weak heater, and faulty fuel gauge are minor issues compared to the overall condition. These large Mercury coupes are becoming harder to find in original form, especially at this price point. Number 2. 1979 Ford Fairmont, $4,350, Birmingham, Michigan. The Ford Fairmont is often overlooked, but enthusiasts know it shares important Fox platform roots with the later Mustang. This family-owned 1979 sedan features the reliable 200 cubic inch inline-six engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The lowered stance and black over orange patina give it a cool street cruiser personality. While the floors, headliner, and dash need attention, the car is described as a dependable, warm-weather driver. For someone wanting an affordable vintage Ford with character and customization potential, this is an interesting project. Number 3. 1983 Nissan 300ZX Coupe, $3,600, Detroit, Michigan. Although the listing description mentions a Datsun 280 series car, this appears to be an early Nissan Z car project with manual transmission power. The seller notes the car runs and drives well and includes both transmissions. Rust is present, which is common on many older Japanese sports cars, but the classic Z styling and enthusiast following still make these cars desirable. Affordable vintage Japanese performance cars continue gaining popularity, and this could be a fun entry-level restoration for the right buyer. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, $2,650, Allenton, Michigan. This second-generation Camaro is clearly a project, but it has some promising fundamentals. The frame and floors reportedly remain solid, while the body only shows minor crust around the bumpers. The engine currently has a rod knock, though the seller knows of a replacement engine source. Equipped with air conditioning and originally a 354-barrel car, it offers good restoration potential at a very affordable price. Late 1970s Camaros remain popular thanks to their aggressive styling and huge aftermarket support. Number 5. 1972 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe, $7,000, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Powered by a strong Buick 455 V8 and equipped with dual Flowmaster exhaust, this Skylark sounds like a proper muscle-era cruiser. The seller says it runs and drives great, which is a big plus for a big block Buick at this price. The interior mainly needs cleaning, while the body will require cosmetic work. Buick muscle cars from the early 1970s are respected for their smooth, torque-heavy engines, and the 455 remains one of General Motors' best street performance motors. Number 6. 1977 Chevrolet Caprice Sedan, $1,800, South Bend, Indiana. This full-size Chevrolet sedan is a cheap entry into classic American motoring. The seller states it runs and drives, although the distributor needs adjustment for smoother idle quality. With only 66,000 miles shown and a clean history report, it could make an easy budget cruiser. These late 1970s Caprices are known for comfort, simple mechanics, and durable drivetrains, making them popular among traditional American car fans. Number 7. 1984 Cadillac Sedan Deville, $7,855, Calumet City, Illinois. With only 29,000 miles and garage-kept care, this red-on-red Cadillac Sedan Deville sounds like a preserved luxury survivor from the 1980s. These Cadillacs delivered classic American comfort with soft rides, plush interiors, and unmistakable road presence. Low-mileage examples are becoming more collectible, as many have disappeared over time. If the condition matches the description, this could be an excellent vintage luxury car for relaxed weekend cruising. Number 8. 1967 Ford Ranch Wagon, $8,500, Sun City, Arizona. This 1967 Ford Ranch Wagon is a classic full-size family hauler with plenty of restoration potential. The seller describes it as a good running and driving wagon equipped with air conditioning and fresh tires. Vintage station wagons continue gaining popularity because of their practicality, rarity, and nostalgic styling. Even though it is not perfect, this Arizona wagon appears to be a solid foundation for someone wanting a stylish cruiser or long-term restoration project. Number 9. 1965 Oldsmobile F85 Deluxe, $7,000, Whitman, Arizona. The Oldsmobile F85 Deluxe is an underrated mid-1960s General Motors platform car, and this example comes with a desirable 330 V8 engine. The seller states the car runs and includes new wheels and tires, giving it an updated stance. The blue exterior with tan interior offers a classy, period-correct appearance. These compact Oldsmobiles are lighter than full-size models and provide a nice balance of style, performance, and drivability. Number 10. 1963 Ford Galaxie, $6,000, Base Hoar, Kansas. This 1963 Ford Galaxie is powered by the legendary 390 V8, backed by a 3-speed transmission with a B&M shifter. The turquoise exterior and black interior combination fits the era perfectly, and the seller describes it as a strong daily driver with no major rust issues. Galaxies from the early 1960s are respected for their clean styling, roomy interiors, and strong FE series engines. At this price, it sounds like a fun and affordable full-size Ford. Number 11. 1986 Ford Mustang, $11,000, Springfield, Missouri. Box body Mustangs continue to rise in popularity, and this manual transmission 1986 example offers several attractive features. The car reportedly has rust-free floors and shock towers, newer paint, fresh carpet, and solid seats with no dashboard cracks. The missing headliner and deleted climate controls are manageable issues for most enthusiasts. With its lightweight platform and strong aftermarket support, the Ford Mustang remains one of the best affordable American performance cars. Number 12. 1970 Dodge Dart, $14,000, Oxford, Wisconsin. This one-owner 1970 Dodge Dart has been tastefully upgraded with a 318 V8, 727 automatic transmission, sure-grip rear differential, and front disc brakes. The blue-on-blue presentation gives it a classic Mopar appearance, while the upgraded drivetrain makes it more enjoyable to drive. Early 1970s Darts are popular because of their lightweight bodies, durable mechanicals, and excellent muscle car styling. This sounds like a very solid street cruiser with practical upgrades. Number 13. 1974 Chevrolet Nova, $12,000, Hanover, Indiana. Powered by a 350 V8 and upgraded with a 700 R4 overdrive transmission, this Nova combines classic muscle car looks with better highway drivability. The seller says it runs great and only needs minor finishing work like a headliner and windshield wiper repair. Cobra tires and rally wheels complete the period muscle car look nicely. Mid-1970s Novas remain popular for their simplicity, strong aftermarket support, and easy V8 performance potential. Number 14. 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, $12,500, Aurora, Indiana. The Monte Carlo SS remains one of the most recognizable performance coupes of the 1980s, and this all-original example retains its factory 305 high-output V8 and automatic transmission. With 78,000 miles, it appears to be a solid survivor rather than a heavily modified car. The silver exterior and gray interior fit the sharp aerodynamic styling that made these cars icons of the NASCAR era. Original Monte Carlo SS models continue gaining collector interest every year,